Hello, my name is Colton with Aristatek, and I want to show you how to import a previous year's data into the 2021 Tier2Submit program. First, click on Import in the top right-hand corner of the window. There are two different ways to select the previous data files. One way is to go to a File Explorer and find the data file, and then drag and drop it onto the screen, like this. Another way is to select the Browse to File button. When you press it, it will take you to a File Explorer where you can find the file yourself. When you find your file, select it and then click Open. Press Continue and the Tier2Submit program will start to upload the data and will then display the number of facilities, contacts, and chemicals that were found. Hit Continue again, and you'll be able to look at a log file. Hit OK, and it will show you a list of all the facilities. Each facility will have a red exclamation mark or a yellow triangle indicating there is missing information that needs to be updated for this year. To update a facility, double-click on it, where it will take you to that facility's page. Here you can change the address, chemicals, and contact information for the facility. You can click these buttons at the top or scroll to navigate through the page. A very important step in this process is to ensure that your facility's location is correct. You can do this by going to the map and moving over to where your facility is located. I like to change the satellite view so I can get a better look of my surroundings. Then you can Shift plus left click on the map to move the facility pin and mark your location. Verify that the rest of the information on the page is correct. This includes correcting any red exclamation marks like this one that shows up. Each time you fix a problem, the red exclamation mark in the top right-hand corner of the screen will turn to a green check mark. You can click Back to Facility to exit this page. Fill out the date signed and signature portion of the page. If this is the last error to correct, you'll notice once again that the red exclamation mark turns to a green check mark at the top right-hand corner. Click the Back to Facilities button to take you back to the list of all the facilities in your file. You'll notice that there is a green check mark next to the one we just edited. Continue this process with the rest of the facilities until all of them have green check marks. Then you'll be ready to export and submit. We will provide another video showing you how to export your Tier 2 data. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.